Hello and a warm welcome from my side. We are now talking about the service board, an app where you can easily manage your service cases and maintenance, and I'll give you a quick overview on which features this app serves. So we use the service board as an app on your tablet or on your mobile phone to really save time and costs in case you do have a machine error. And I now brought you the demo mode that you can download from the App Store completely free of charge. And here you see an overview on of your service cases. So the ones with the green hook display the service cases that had already been solved and had been stored on your service board. And then you see the orange circle. These are the service cases that are now currently trying to find a solution. So if we just click on the lower one service case with the green hook, here you see the service case description, the solution that has been provided by a service partner, and of course some pictures of the service case. And as easy as looking up previous service cases is opening up a new service ticket. So we open up a service ticket, select the particular service partner that you have in your service board. Then you go and select your machines. That can also be done by scanning a QR code in your machine. And then off you go. You provide your service partner with a quick and easy service case description. You can say whether your production has stopped due to this machine error. And then of course you can also add some pictures to your service case, add your phone number, which is optional, and off you go and quickly send your service case to your service partner. So this is the main function and feature of our service board. And of course, with connected machines, there's one more feature called monitoring, where you can easily oversee the maintenance cases of your machines. So this was a very quick introduction into the service board, and I invite you to download the app, try out the demo mode completely for free, and see whether the service board can be one asset for your production.